Right, I'm just making a start of the frame. As all probably older kits, you've got a seam line running down the centre of the frame, which is like a mould line that runs all the way around on all the inside parts, which is quite a sharp edge. So at the moment I'm just removing all the seam line with a round file. The problem you've got to be careful with is you don't get a flat spot on the frame. So it's a case of moving the file, but also moving the frame. So you're moving the frame in a rotary motion, as well as using the file. So in that way, you try and alleviate a flat spot. I'll also go over this with some wet and dry as well, but on this particular kit, the seam line is quite pronounced, so it means going in quite aggressively with the file. I'm not going to sit and watch you do all this because you probably all fall asleep. So just basically, I'll break it up into little bits and pieces for the frame. But I don't know whether you can try and see it with that. You can see a seam line there, which is basically what I'm just removing, and that goes around all the inside of all the frame on both sides, and also it'll be on the main stand. So I'm going to continue with this, and I'll see you in the next bit.